Mr. A act as a referee in a football match organized by Sports Authority of India. Good. He has also acted as a referee in another charity football match organized by local club. In lane 2, lump sum payment. Discuss whether it is required to pay any GST. He need to pay GST because he is providing services. Service provided to Sports Authority of India is exempted, true. But local club, it is whether charitable or non-charitable. If non-charitable, it is he need to pay tax. Service provided by recognized sports body of individual entirely a referee in the sports events organized by recognized bodies exempted from GST. Correct. Since the first case, football matches organized by Sports Authority of India. Correct. Which is recognized sports body. Correct. This is a recognized sports body and provided by an individual as a referee, such football match will be exempt. It's exempt. However, when he act as a referee in a charity football match organized by local sports club is organizing it. He would not be entitled to aforementioned exemption as a local sports club, not recognized sports body, and thus GST will be payable in these. So on this service, GST is payable. Very good.